I need to make this video right now that I got the chance. I really didn't want to do this, but I've been kind of crippled in my scientific research. I'm unable to make any progress. I'm unable to do any writing or publish any papers. I'm not able to continue my manuscript. So uh, I managed to print this off and I want to show the world. So there's an open problem in physics called the Kelvin problem. In 1887, Lord Kelvin asked how space could be partitioned into cells of equal volume with the least area of surface between them. What was the most efficient bubble foam structure with which to model space and the energy contained in any region in all its forms? This problem has since been referred to as the Kelvin problem. This is the quantum foam theory, alright? And the solution is presented on page 801 of Principia Geometrica by Kelvin C. Abraham of Australia. In Tetronics, Foundational Quantum Biochemistry, Chemical Element Bonds and Isotopes, Chemical Element Bonding, and other things related to this solution are presented in his work Principia Geometrica. The intellect seeking after an integrated theory cannot rest content with the assumption that there exist two distinct fields totally independent of each other by their nature. Einstein, 1923. That problem is also solved by Kelvin C. Abraham by his differentiation between 2D planar mass energy and 3D matter topology, 3D standing wave closed Faraday matter topologies. You guys need to understand this is wave mechanics, okay? And these are effectively atomic arrangements. Alright, of matter. But they are presented in their full form on other sections. For example, we can see some deuterium, tritium here. Alright, so you guys need to go check out these documents. Kelvin Abraham on YouTube, Instagram, things like that. He's got social media. This periodic table of the elements is has been reworked. There's a new copy of it out. There's a unified field equation as well. The 120 elements have been modeled in AutoCAD by Diego Borges Riviera, I believe is how you say his name. I apologize if I got that wrong. Study the tensor, study electromagnetic permittivity and permeability. Be sure to look at the decomposition of Planck's constant and then study the speed of light. Once you understand what the speed of light is, you'll understand exactly what's going on in the geometry. I want you to understand the difference between C and C squared, and, rectilinear, and then curvilinear space, trilinear, tetronic space, the Riemannian curvature. The coordinate space is different than people like Hawking were working in. So I just wanted to let everyone know that the Kelvin problem has been solved. I did some derivations to try and check some of this topology theory and wave mechanics, but it's all in line with mainstream physics, and we have to start considering the fact that we have not only a solution to the Kelvin problem, but a solution to the unified field theory, and now we can enter a new era of science.